ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. So Daisy, just fell down there. Like I said, no problem. Here we have, it's a beautiful sunny day. Absolutely gorgeous out there. The strawberries are doing great. Just give them a feeding of water. Get on with these today, putting these on persimmons. Nice healthy plants. I've had a bit of damping off, but that's not the end of the world. I've got some strong plants there, which is great. Just have a spin round here. It's that warm today. I don't have to have my log burner, which is great. Here we have my delphiniums with some verbena. These are some beautiful violas, which are great. They're all going really well. I've just done these, finished these off today, putting these on. Got nearly 40. I'm probably, I think, 6 short of 40, so it's 34. But these all need nipping out now. I've done a couple. You can just see there, just there. And that helps thicken them up. You'll get more plants and flowers from them, which is great. Excuse me. Come around here, lobelia down there, and I think I'll do these today as well. My tomatoes just yellowing a little bit. That lack of food. That gave them a feed yesterday, and it's started to green them up, which is great. I said lobelia here, and then I always pronounce this wrong. Gaillardia. At the back there we have some more delphiniums. At the front here, my verbenas, which have already been pinched out. See there? And at the back, these ones I did a week before, just to show you the difference. They're the ones that got pinched out a couple of weeks ago. These got pinched out a few days ago. These are exactly the same as my other plants. Pinch them out, you get more flowers, bigger, stronger plants, and they come year after year, those. That's brilliant. Down here, got a bit of space now. Now I'm starting to put things on. Spider right there. These zinnias, I might get a couple of plants off them after the mice attack. The gadicias, I might get a couple of plants there, which would be great. Then we have my beautiful begonia, dahlias there, behind them. I'll take these out and put these on today. One at the back there called Black Beauty. Here we have some polyanthus mixed and some veronica. There's only 3 of those, but they're growing well, which is great. Then we have my begonias. These are from last year. They got attacked by, I think, vine weevil or something like that. So I treated them all. And I think they're starting to come back nicely now, which is great. I wasn't expecting anything. I thought I'd try them. If they come back, they come back. If they don't, they don't. But it seems like they're coming back, which is brilliant. Here we have, at the front here, some bee balm, which is looking brilliant. And then some perennial geraniums. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of those. Yeah, they're looking great. Right, these are what called Black Beauty. These should grow really nicely now. I always take the lids off days like today, otherwise you end up cooking your plants. If you leave your propagator lids on, it will just absolutely cook them. Then we have echinacea, petunia in the middle, and some gypsophila to the right. Over here we have my sweet peas that have been pinched out, and then some Jamaica dahlia. I can pinch those out shortly. At the front there's some arboretia, which need potting on. And genums that need potting on today as well. They're looking these are perennials. These come out year after year. They're looking really, really healthy. Really pleased with those. Well, that's it. That's a quick catch up on what's sowing and growing in my greenhouse. If you have any questions about anything at all, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like me and Monkey's videos, please subscribe and like. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.